Are private jokes okay? Good morning, everybody. Today is Sunday, the 28th of March, 2021. My name is Reverend David Ibiayo, and these are my thoughts. As a group of men sat around the table having drinks, one of the men said he had a joke to tell, and everyone paid attention. He said there was a man and two women. He then described a scenario about the two women, after which the men all burst into laughter. It was so funny in their eyes that one of them fell to the ground, holding his tummy, saying, "You are going to kill me," with laughter. As the laughing calmed down, although it took a while before it did, one of the men said the following: "You better make sure your joke doesn't make it out of this circle." It goes without saying that jokes have a way of cheering us up, but the question that has to be asked is this: does it have to be at people's expense? When different groups of people gather, I am sure they all have their private jokes. I believe there are private jokes about women, private jokes about men, private jokes about white people, private jokes about black people, private jokes about Asians, private jokes about poor people, private jokes about disabled people, and for the sake of not going on and on, there are private jokes about every living thing under the sun, I guess. Some people sometimes crack jokes that are misunderstood, and people think that the joke is at other people's expense. And of course, that is not their intention. But there are people who definitely crack jokes at the expense of other people, and they make sure it happens just in their circles or where they believe it is safe. It has to be said that jokes are often a reflection of people's minds, even though some might deny it and say it is only a joke. Yes, it is only a joke, but at the expense of someone else or people. The intention of such jokes is to belittle others. I once heard a comedian say that those who buy economy tickets for an air flight often have to walk past the people who bought first class tickets in the plane, and he called it the poor parade, meaning that the people in the first class section of the plane will see those with the economy tickets walk past them, suggesting that the people who purchased economy tickets were poor, hence the poor parade. The man who was present when he heard the man crack a joke at the expense of women said the following: "You better make sure your joke doesn't make it out of this circle." As for me, this would be my advice. Don't bother keeping your private joke within your trusted circle if it is at the expense of other people. Just don't say it and disabuse your mind of it. When your private joke comes to the hearing of others, you will then realize that it wasn't funny after all, and then the joke will be on you. For some people, the utterance has cost them their job and their reputation, if not more. You never know what it might cost you if you are telling private jokes which belittles other people. Of course, when people are found out, they are quick to put up a defense saying, "I did not mean it that way." But remember the words of Jesus Christ in Luke chapter 6 verse 45. It reads as follows: "A good man brings good things out of the good stored up in his heart, and an evil man brings evil things out of the evil stored up in his heart. For the mouth speaks what the heart is full of." It is a good thing to make people laugh, but ensure that your private joke is not at the expense of other people. Take care, keep safe, and remain blessed. Amen.